we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of Japanese noodle. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting names from Japanese cuisine, Japanese food as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, in Japanese, it is said as Udon, Udon. In English, however, this is normally said as Udon, Udon, U. You do want to stress on the first syllable, Udon, Udon, or in Japanese, Udon, Udon. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more delicious Japanese food names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.